Yeah, we've got a few clouds around this morning, and we'll see some cloud cover throughout the afternoon. Not as cloudy as yesterday, although those clouds broke late in the afternoon yesterday, getting Athens to 78 degrees. Atlanta, we got to 73, but the average high this time of year is well cooler than that. It's only 66. We're closer to that now. So get out this morning, 63 in the city and a 64 in LJ. We've got a few different things happening. We've got some high clouds coming in from the west, also a very persistent easterly wind, bringing this fetch of moisture with strong winds and maybe an isolated sprinkle later today. Right now the winds are calm, but we will see some pretty gusty winds this afternoon. At noon, mostly cloudy, breaks of sun, upper 60s to low to mid 70s. This afternoon it really will be a beautiful afternoon. We'll get into the low 70s, mid 70s for some. At 5 o'clock it'll be sunny in Rome and 75, but that easterly fetch that will be persistent for the next 5 days or so will possibly bring in just a sprinkle or two from Atlanta south later this evening and tonight, but negligible at best and certainly not widespread. Today, 77 in Rome, 76 in Athens, 73 to 74 here in Atlanta. Really will be a beautiful afternoon, but the winds will be a factor. We are seeing some gusty winds at some points now, and you can see gusts today, maybe 15 to 20 miles per hour. As we work toward this next week, temperatures will be incredibly mild. These are our low temperatures. We should be in the mid 40s. We've got 60-degree temperatures. Look at Wednesday, 67 for a low. So what we're going to see, some very strong winds, and this is where, look at Tropical Storm Eta. This is the 7 o'clock update. 60-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds right now. Just made landfall this morning in Cuba with flash floods, strong winds, 5 to 10 inches of rain. The center of circulation now is about 280 miles south-southeast of Miami. Miami, even through yesterday, had 30 and 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Here's the track of Eta. Boy, and it's a circuitous one and may give a 1-2 punch to Florida. The worst for South Florida. We have hurricane watches from Vero Beach all the way south through the Keys, including Palm Beach, Miami, Fort Lauderdale. 6 to 12 inches of rain, potentially 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. The worst will be tonight and through tomorrow, but then watch what happens with Eta. It kind of scoots left, goes out into the eastern open Gulf. You can see where it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Look at how far east it is now. And then perhaps comes back and does another 1-2 punch in central Florida. So that's where it is now. Midweek, it gets out into the open Gulf, and then potentially at the end of the week, it's slow. There's not a lot of steering currents, so there's a lot to watch with this, possibly making landfall somewhere between Jacksonville and Tampa into Saturday. So we've got a long way with this thing, but today, tomorrow in South Florida, some very strong winds and also some heavy rain, maybe 6 to 12 inches of rain. So keep an eye on that. Gets into the open water. Will it impact us when it makes its next approach on Saturday as far north as it goes? Bigger impacts for us here in North Georgia. But for us, we've got some wet weather coming this week, again with the easterly influence, and we could see the rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, on and off. Wednesday looks like the best day for some scattered showers. But boy, Karen, it comes with some very warm temperatures, upper 70s, 10 degrees at least above average. So